What we were hoping to do today in partnership with the Ohio Beef Council was to be able to present a unique opportunity to our partners, to our students, as well as to students in high schools nearby, of bringing a national expert on sustainability in the beef industry to campus so that everyone could interact with Dr. Sarah Place and learn more about that important topic.
So what I'm going to talk to you today about is how beef fits in a sustainable food system and some of the issues related to what is a sustainable food system and all the complexities that go into that.
A couple months ago we had Dr. Place come in and visit us here in Central Ohio, and word about her presentation and her skills and the information she shared got out to some folks here at Ohio State, and we were having conversations here at the university, and they said we would love to have her back, and we said absolutely, you guys named the day. So we were immediately thrilled to get started on putting this together today.
I thought today was a phenomenal opportunity for so many groups to come together to listen to a very important topic that we are facing nationwide, possibly even worldwide. And so a lot of her information I was very impressed with, because we actually are incorporating a lot of this information in our classrooms, from high school teachers to university professors. And I really think that having that outside person, especially from an entity as prestigious as the National Cattlemen's Beef Association, to come in and complement what we've been saying this whole time, really, really did it good. And I was really, really impressed to see the number of the young participants, the young people who were here in the audience listening.
This presentation was really informative. As a future educator, I found it really valuable in producing a lot of good content and giving me a lot of resources that I can use to pass on to my students or just to community members that aren't really sure what's going on in the beef industry. There was a lot of good information presented today.
Well, one of the things that's really unique about the College of Food, Agriculture, and Environmental Sciences at The Ohio State University, being a land-grant university, is that we have a very unique role to play in the larger community. So our focus is on the unbiased research. We're trying to find the solutions to problems. We're trying to find the very best answers that we possibly can, and then contributing that to the discussions and the decision-making that's going on. So I really think of us as this neutral convener, no matter what the topic is, whether it has to do with sustainability in the beef industry like today, or the water quality issues that we've all been grappling with in our state, or it has to do with other issues that are an important part of our food system, agricultural production, or the environment. We can be that neutral convener and the place where people can come to ask those tough questions and try to get the very best answers they possibly can.